Want to meet 5 amazing words and remember them for a lifetime? Well, you have reached the best destination on the internet to do so. This is Amit Kumar Mehta, and today I'll be helping you master 5 difficult words in an extremely simple way so that you can remember them for a lifetime and sound sophisticated in front of your friends and relatives and score more in competition exams which require English as a mandatory component. Quickly moving on to the words, but before on, let me just tell you words number 2 and 3 are my favorites for the day, and very quickly I'll try to ensure these words also become your favorites so that you can start using them on a daily basis and you can start sounding sophisticated and keep scoring more. Moving on to the words, the first word for the day is underpinning. Underpinning basically means a foundation, a groundwork, a support system that is existing there. The core of something is the underpinning idea of a particular concept. The Hindi would be सहारा या टेक लेना, किसी चीज़ की आप सहारा लेते हो, किसी चीज़ का टेक लेते हो, that is underpinning. There is no antonym as such, pronunciation is underpinning. Now, what is the brain friendly way? What is the wordaholics way to remember this particular word? Look at the visual that we have provided. You know what the pins on a notice board are used for. Pins are used for support. If there is a document that has to be attached to the notice board, you pin it over there. The pin provides the foundation. The pin provides the support to the particular paper. Now, if you know that this particular topic has a lot of underpinning, there is a lot of pins involved, definitely there is a lot of foundation, there is a lot of groundwork, there is a lot of support and core to that particular concept. So that is the understanding in the way in which you can remember this word for a very, very long time. Underpinning, a lot of pins involved, a lot of foundation is there, a lot of support is there. What are the various usages? Underpinning principle, underpinning assumption. The basic assumption, that was the foundation assumption, was so and so. Sentence 1, underpinning the entire series is the fact that McCallum will retire after the second test in Christchurch. Underpinning the entire series, the basic foundation is that McCallum is going to retire and something is going to happen because of that. Sentence 2, underpinning the confidence investors place in OYO, the fact it operated only in Gurgaon is in its first year and then in 170 cities the next year. Underpinning the confidence investors place in OYO, there is a foundation, there is an underpinning, the confidence the OYO has, and because of which most of the investors are invested in OYO. There is a foundation, there is a core confidence of the investors in OYO brand. Moving on to the next word for the day, which I told you is my favorite, unequivocal. Unequivocal basically means clear cut, means outright, outspoken, crystal clear. It's absolutely clear that you are supporting something. Unequivocal support you give to somebody. स्पष्ट बहुमत जो कहते हैं आप, स्पष्ट, एकदम क्लियर हो, क्रिस्टल क्लियर हो, that is unequivocal. Antonym is something that is vague or not clear, unclear. Pronunciation unequivocal. Now, what is the brain friendly way to remember this particular word? What is the wordaholics way to remember this particular word? Look at the visual we have provided. Imagine your supporters who are shouting for you in equal voices. Many supporters shouting for you in equal voices. Why? Because they are having an outright love for you. They are absolutely clear that they want to support your idea. They are absolutely clear that they are with you on a particular topic. That is unequivocal support, unequivocal commitment. Now, these are the two usages, unequivocal support and unequivocal commitment. Apart from that, look at the sentences. Burger King India launched its first ever TV commercial with the aim to establish its Whopper as the unequivocal leader in the market. Unequivocal leader. There's nobody who will deny his leadership. Outright, absolutely clear. Unequivocal leader means absolutely something which is crystal clear. He's the leader of the market. That is what Burger King India wanted. Sentence 2, surgical strikes sent an unequivocal message to Pakistan to desist from actively aiding and abetting cross-border terrorism in India. Surgical strikes were basically meant for sending a message, a crystal clear message, an unequivocal message that Pakistan, you stop actively aiding and abetting any kind of terrorism, cross-border terrorism. Sentence 3 and 4 once again, as is the practice, you can do on your own by pausing the video. We'll be moving on to the next word, but before that, let me tell you the link to all these 1200 words which we have discussed in an easily as a digestible format, so that you can remember these words for a lifetime, is available in the YouTube description. Go and download these words. These words will actually help you sound sophisticated and score more in various examinations. Moving on to the next word, which I told you is again my favorite for the day, unfazed. Unfazed is something which is totally confident, absolutely confident, calm, composed, relaxed. He's chilled out in life, he's easygoing in life, he's unfazed by any criticism, unfazed by the pressure in life that somebody was facing. Hindi would be nirbhik ya shant, nirbhik or shant. Unfazed, he's totally undeterred, unfazed by the problems that he's facing in life. Antonym would be somebody who is anxious and disoriented, somebody who is not organized, and somebody who is in tension, in pressure. Pronunciation unfazed. Now, what is the brain friendly way to remember this particular word? Look at the visual and look at the underlining word that we have provided on the left hand side. Unfazed sounds like unfused. If you are unfused, means as in if you are a bulb and you are unfused, you are not fused, definitely you will shine bright. And when you shine bright, you are showing it to the world that you are absolutely confident in whatever you are doing. You are absolutely calm, you are absolutely composed, and you have a lot of super confidence in whatever ability you have. So that is unfazed for you. Unfazed, unfused, related with that particular word fuse. Unfused basically means I have a lot of confidence in me. So what are the various usages? Unfazed by the attention, unfazed by the challenges. Sentence 1. Sushant on Link Up Rumors with Kriti says, I insulate myself from the daily news and have a Teflon coating on me at the times. He said that he is unfazed by the rumors. Sushant used to say about Kriti Sanon that he is unfazed by the rumors which go on the newspapers, because he has built a Teflon coating of not being affected by these kind of news. That is unfazed for you. Sentence 2. Unfazed by the protests against him, Rahul Gandhi went on to his road show, calmly receiving greetings from the locals. Unfazed by the criticism. Many people were criticizing, but Rahul Gandhi is Rahul Gandhi, and he was totally unfazed by all those kind of criticisms. He was absolutely not worried about all those things, and he went on with his road show. Sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own. Moving on to the next word for the day. Next word is unfettered. Unfettered basically means unrestricted, free, unbridled, uncontrolled. Is absolutely loose. हिंदी would be आज़ाद या बंधन मुक्त. आप किसी बंधन में नहीं हो, आप unfettered हो. Antonym would be restricted. Pronunciation is unfettered. Fettered. R is silent. Unfettered. Now, what is the wordaholics way? What is the way in which you can remember this word for a very, very long time? Look at the visual that we have provided. This person is trying to fly as if he had feathers. He is unfettered by the boundaries that are there in life. He is unfettered. Imagine you throwing away all the baggage that you have. Imagine you throwing away all the baggage and flying with as if you are having feathers. So that is unfettered for you. You're just trying to fly because you are totally free, you are unbridled, you are absolutely loose, and you are tension free. So that is unfettered for you. What are the various usages? RBI enjoys unfettered powers. Absolute powers, freedom. It has the complete overall freedom to do whatever it wants. RBI among the banks. Unfettered assistance. 100% and even more assistance is unfettered assistance. Uncontrolled total support. Sentence 1. For 153 a month, Jio is giving free voice calls, text as well as unlimited data and unfettered access to Jio's content library. If you go to Jio's content library, there are tons of movies. You have a lot of channels, live channels which are working. You have a lot of music out there. It is all 100% free. That is absolutely free. So unfettered access to the library. The library you have unfettered access to. You have 100% and even beyond access to all these resources. Absolutely unfettered, absolutely free. Sentence 2. Finance Bill 2017 introduces draconian provisions giving unfettered power to the taxman to search and seize defaulters. Finance Bill 2017 gave unfettered power, unlimited, uncontrolled power to the tax people so that they can come to your business, they can come to your premises, they can come to your home, they can raid your home, and they can take the taxes whichever is applicable. So that gave them unfettered power. Right or wrong is not the question. Unfettered power, 100% ultimate power that they gave to the taxman through this finance bill. The last word for the day is unicorn. Unicorn basically means a startup with a valuation exceeding $1 billion. A unicorn is any company which is having a valuation which is greater than $1 billion. Basically, we're doing it with startups. Paytm was one of the unicorn companies in India. Now, what is the Hindi for it? A big company, you can call it a big multinational company which is trying to establish itself. Pronunciation is unicorn. What are the various ways in which you can remember this particular word? Look at the visual that we have provided. Modi trying to promote, Pradhan Mantri Modi trying to promote the Startup India and Stand Up India, and any unique company, any unique organization. That is the way in which you can remember this particular word. Unicorn. If you remove the C, there is unique organization, right? Underlined portion, look at the visual portion, left hand side. Unique organization which has attained $1 billion in valuation is a unicorn. That is how you remember this particular word permanently for a very, very long time. Various usages: next generation unicorns, unicorn valuations. The valuation was very high, unicorn valuations, kind of equivalent to a unicorn. Sentence 1, when it does so, Zomato will be the first Indian e-commerce company to become unicorn profitable, a significant milestone in the market. Sentence 2, India is currently home to 5.7% of the world's unicorns, with 9 of India's mature startups being valued more than $1 billion. India is home to 5.7% of the total unicorn companies that are existing in the world. So that is a figure that is available. Sentence 3 and 4, once again, you can do on your own by pausing the video. With that particular word, we have reached the end of the presentation for today. I hope you have liked the presentation and I hope you are revising all the words that we are sending. We'll be very soon conducting the test for July 2020 to find out who the winners are. It will be carrying cash prizes, so please do participate. Keep on looking at these words. We'll be quickly announcing the words contest in this month in very short while from now. And if you have not liked and subscribed our page, please do subscribe to our page and go to the playlist section. The playlist section in today's date contains more than 350 to 400 such words discussed in an amazingly simple way. These words will help you sound sophisticated and score more in competition exams. As we keep on saying, it was a pleasure interacting with you. Thank you so much. This is Amit Kumar Mehta signing off. Thank you.